First stream in a while. Let me hop back over here. Yes, I told you to save. I don't know why you don't in that. Alright. Do have the server up. And that. So, switch over to the computer capture. Alright, first thing, I am going to attempt to get the Ecto to work. The problem that I have currently thus far is if I go here and spawn it, I can't really see, but so that doesn't look half bad, except the lights on it are red. So I know I've got that model in. So let me DV this and stop Ecto 1, start Ecto 2. And it's going to crash resources.lua. That's exactly what I thought. So let me go here, resources, Ecto 1, and of course that will need to close. So I'm going to grab resources.lua. Actually, I'm going to grab all of these and go here, resources, Ecto 2, new folder, data, paste, that. What am I doing? What's going on? Who's pinging? Oh, Discord pinged me. Yes, thank you, Discord. Alright. Carcals up. Test is recommended. Don't need that one. I'm going to take away the handling for a second. And vehicles meta. Copy those into data. Go back over here and open the resource.lua file. I'm not going to have any car calls. Handle. Handling file. Save that. Okay. I should just have the car variations and that. So stop. Ecto 2. Start Ecto 2. And we relaunch. Webcam. There we go. Put the webcam in the lower corner there. And then get back to localhost. And let that run. See what we have. Let's take a look. Let me stop Ecto 2. Over here. Data. Resources. Oh, Ecto 2. Let me delete those. And the car variations. That's what's there. One 134 sirens. I'm gonna have it as 0 and 0 there. Now let me get here. Shit. There we go. Yeah, spawn in there. Oh, I realized that would just open. So, wrong one. spawner, spawn by name, ecto1. Alright, it's not there. Start ecto2. Oh, that's right, I didn't put the stuff in the right place. Data. 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 Forgot I didn't have it in the right spot. So, let me get back over here. Stop ecto2. Clear that and start ecto2. It's trying to load // let me take out the / here. Data. Clear. Stop ecto2. Start ecto2. No. Oh, that's because I put the wrong name. Ecto1. No, it's clear. Stop ecto2. Start ecto2. Head back. And it's still giving me the problem. So give me that. Let me look at ecto1 for a second. Okay, that's not doing it. So let me close that one. Let me look at DeLorean /data and it loads right. Let me add those back. Worst comes to worst, I will restart the server. Ecto2. Start ecto2. Okay, didn't act like it wanted to load, so you know what? F it. Stop the server. Start the server. Relaunch 5M. Hopefully this takes care of it. No, damn it, I just realized. There we go. I was trying to load the Carcoals meta, which doesn't exist. Maybe that was what it was. Ouch. Right before I started streaming, I was lowering the light over on the side and I pinched the living daylights out of the pan. Switch back to webcam capture. Ow. That kinda hurts. So yay. Gruesome injuries. Alright. back over here. Stop Ecto 1. Clear. Start Ecto 2. Okay, it worked. Vehicle spawner. Ecto 1. Okay, there are no lights on it right now. Okay, now let me DV it. Stop Ecto 2. Now I'm going to go back. And open the car variations. Where is that? There we go. Save it there. Ecto 2. Alright. That's supposed to be blue lights, but got something going. All related time. We're going to go to midnight. The ones on this side should be. So now I need to put in car coals. I know there's 9. I just got to remember where they are. Come on, change time. I really need to get VSync open. There we go. Because those, I think, are supposed to be blue. You know, the glass is blue. And those on the side should be pointing front. Can't really tell where that one's pointing. It's a proton die. Alright, let's go ahead and switch it back to noon. Let the time go a little bit. I know Siren 1 needs to be changed to pointing front to 0. That one over there needs a. I don't know, I kind of like it off to the side, but I need the. So we know all of those. And I've got a phone call. Hold on 1 second. Wrong one. There we go. Sorry, I had a phone call. Let me get that off. Okay, this is what I want to look at. That one is facing forward. Where does this one face? That one's going forward. Those two. Yep, that's what I thought. It is going forward. So now, let me open 4, and we'll take a look and see where those are pointed. I kind of want those to be um pointed around. So, all right, let me go. Shit, where's open 4? I had 2 versions of it open apparently. There we go. So I'm going to go to edit mode just in case, even though I really didn't need to do that. So let's go to resources, Ecto 2, and open the stream folder. I'm going to say siren pattern. I don't remember if it's siren pattern or light settings. Let me open another car variations. Little Discord notification from a friend. Aw, she misses my friend. My friend Melissa misses, hanging out with us. Hopefully, as I said, hopefully everything works out next week where we can get together and have our normal game night stuff. So let's see. That's what I want to see. Siren settings. It is the siren settings, so I'm going to change this to be 404. I have a very, 404 for that. So the lighting settings for that will be 404. So, let's say file, open, resources. I'm going to go to the State Patrol, data, the carcoals.meta for here. I'm going to copy the beginning sections here. At least go through what would be Siren 9. Because I know there's 9 sirens on the Ecto. 8, 9. Copy, Control N. We're going to paste that. Whoop. And go back to here and go all the way down to the bottom. Item. After we close that, there we go. That's what I needed there. Go here and boop. Save that as resources, Ecto 2. Data. What's Carcoal? Oh. Yes, I want to save that. So, close that. Now let me reopen and make sure it looks right. Okay. And this will be 404. custom siren Ecto 1. The name Ecto 1. I don't think it needs to be 800 beats per minute. I want to change it to 500. I want to change that to be, I think that. I want to change those to be exactly 0. That's the sequence for the left tail light and the right tail light. So now the delta on that is right. And see where siren. I know where siren 1 was. So let's load up the YTF file and see where the sirens are. I know it's somewhere here. Sound on the bumpers. Miscellaneous A, there we go. Alright, Siren 1. Siren 2 should be an exact copy of it. So, this. Boop. And 2 will be there. So that should have it as that. That's going to have it as white light. What is the blue hex value? Blue hex code. Blue 0040 FF. So you start with 00FF. There we go. Okay, so that's got that one set where it should be. I think Siren 3 is going to be back here. Yes. And Siren 4, I think, is... Siren 4 is the same one. Those need to be out the back. Oh. Delta values. Where was that? What was it I found for that? There was an image. There we go. That's what I need. Back will be 3 point. There we go. Let me move that over to my other monitor. And of course it. There we go. Pop. All right. Now head back here. Siren 3. Rotation delta should be 3.14159265. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, FF. Flashiness. Oh. And it was going up. I'm just gonna have it say 265. I'm gonna have it both of them do the same thing. Both values, so 3.1415265. Yeah, that's pointing to the right there. 3.14114159265. There's sirens 1 through 4. Now let's switch back to the front. Siren 5, siren 6. Siren 5 and siren 6 need to point out to 0. 5 and there. Same for siren 6. Alright, that one's blue. So is that one. So let me see where 7 is. Go back over here. Siren 7 is that one. And we're going to put that one to 3.14. So hopefully that'll have that one going there. Alright. That one was red initially, so there's 7. And 8 is the other outer one. So 3.141599265. And see if that one's that. That one should be now. This is the red one up on top. I think that one's set right. Let's check red hex code. FF00, with zeros. Think that's what we have. FF00. And that's got that. So let me save that. Now let me hop in. Ecto 2. So let me have that up. There we go. Stop server. Start server. Wait for the server to come back up. Stop. Ecto 1. Start. Ecto 2. Then I called the lighting pattern 404. Let me open vehicle meta. I'll find the Romero handling line and add it to and have it in the handling. And make sure that that's right. So go back to localhost. hopefully this fixes it. I'd love to fix this one. I got a F or for Formula One pack. I got a DeLorean pack that I got set up. The Formula One pack I took some somewhere else, but I've got them set to where they're not, going super fast. So it'll be good for RP stuff, like somebody, you know, setting up their own version. Really, spawn me here. Fuck you, game. Fuck you, Jobu. You know what? This farm here is about to get a visit from the Ecto. There we go. Spawner Ecto 1. That doesn't look right. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. World related time. Yay. Come on. Alright. Stop Ecto 2. Let's go back over here. Carcoals 404, Ecto 1. I called it 404. Let's just change that to 404 as well, just to be safe. Start Ecto 2. So I've got headlights that come on. Fuck off. Hmm. Wasn't until I changed the inner cone angle and the outer cone angle. Let me get that from the other one. That's the only other thing that I changed in there. And the game just crashed. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I know what's happening. Yep, there it goes. End task. And I'll go ahead and for good measure and just restart the server. Yeah. Knew exactly what was happening there. Stop. Ecto 1. Start. Ecto 2. Five M's all the way down there. Localhost. Here we go. Hopefully that will. Hey, Brandon, I just saw your message. Yeah, I'm attempting to get Ecto 1 to work. Will it happen? Probably not. So, really, game? Why does it want to spawn me up there again? Vehicle spawner, Ecto 1. It's not starting, so I'll keep it at 875. It's the only other thing I changed besides that. Sequencer value. Yeah, the values are there for stuff. Okay. Guys, alright. So I know it worked before. TV. Okay, restart Ecto 2. Ecto 1. Yeah. That's what it would have there. Yeah, I've got the other Ecto stopped. Let me do this. Let me copy everything from Sirens down. Copy. Close that. File open. Resources Ecto 1. Car calls. Sirens. And I'm going to change that back to being 404. Start Ecto 1. Make sure I'm not. TV. Stop Ecto 2. Start Ecto 1. Okay, it didn't crash there. Spawn vehicle. Ecto 1. Oh, the lights don't look red. World time midnight. Come on. Change time, change. Because then I know I can change those ones on the outside to point outside. It's still rotating red. But it's doing the rotation, not the... Why is it doing the rotation thing it's not supposed to? Oh, that's right. I've got the wrong... car variations. But I still got it set at 1, yes. Ecto 1. Okay, it's something with the 404 it doesn't like. It's something with 404 it doesn't like. I go back. Let's change this to 901, 90, 90, no, 902, 90210. A reference for that. And 902. Stop. Ecto 1. Start. Ecto 1. Something there is causing that to go wrong. So something that I did by changing the number. You know what? I am going to change it back to 5. 5. Now let me DV. Stop Ecto 1. Start Ecto 1. On Ecto 1. Okay, it did not like the number I put in. What is the number that Alex used? Resources. State Patrol. Data. Car variations. Boop. 606. What is the last one? 614. I'm going to change it to 615 now. 615. Carcals.meta to 615. Okay, for some reason, it doesn't like me doing that. So, change it here to something that's already in use. Let's see what happens. Whoa! Okay, it's loading a different pattern now. Yep. One. Sirens 1 and 2 should be white. And those are going okay. Now I've just got to figure out how to create a lighting pattern. Or find one. So let's take a look. Maybe. No. I don't want Reddit because you don't really find any information there. I wonder. You know what? I'm going to try something stupid. Right. Stop. State. Patrol. Stop. Ecto 1. Start. Ecto 1. Okay, it still loaded that same pattern. Oh, I like the comically big red cone. So it's loading what they're doing. What? No, it wasn't there. Custom ID. No, not the vehicle kit ID. How to fix mod kit ID tuning errors? No. No. Man, I really love this guy. He really. If you got an unorthodox vehicle which you want to give a custom lot setting, just use example. Yeah, I could do that for and change that to 5. Ah, the sad part is I don't know. No, that's not. God, I hate how this guy has this set up. You know what? I could change it to 7. You know what? Let me. Where is that? For the emergency? Let me try that. Which number was. Did that say? 7. 7. Shit. After 1. Okay. Now I just don't have. So. Seven. I want to be able to change. So it has to. Open 4. Close that for a second. DTA 5. Fuck you. V. Save this. See if that works. So, save the file. Shit. Fuck off, Dreamweaver. End task. I don't want Dreamweaver. So screw you. No, it's not that. No, I don't want to do paint jobs. Default fire truck. No, I don't want to add a fucking car. I want to find the car. Nope. Fudgeums. There we go. Update or update RPF. X64 data. View as text. Control that. No, I can't. That. Extract. And just put it there. It was Notepad++. It should take a while. Ba 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 boo. Ba 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 booey. Oh, this is. There we are. Oh, what am I looking for again? ID value. I'm gonna look for 7. Search, find. Okay. Nope, that's not it. Search, find. Oh, wait. Is that it? Oh, there it is. There it is. I'm gonna keep going down. Oh, I've got 9 in there. Okay. So I look for ID 8. Just keep going a little bit at a time. I wish it would say what siren number it was in there, like some people put in there. There we go. Okay, so I want to change that. Parcels.meta item. Boop. All right. Siren iron. There we go. I'll change the color later just to make sure. Two. There's that. Whoa, intensity. Look at that intensity value. I'll go ahead and change some of that later. And that's Siren 2. Siren 3. Rotation. This will be 3.14159265. Flashing this the same way. And this will be Siren 4. that's supposed to be to the front. There we go. Siren 6. Right. Siren 7. I'll keep those going back there. I don't know. Next one, Siren 8 will be that. This should be going to the front. Same there. Nope, nope. Control Z. Yeah. That's 9. That'll be 10. Yeah, 1 second, Brandon. Let's see. TV. Stop. Echo 1. Start. Echo 1. Okay, it's a little better. They're mostly... It's still going the wrong way. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Shit. Because those on the back should be pointing to the back, not to the front. So that one's pointed this way. They should all be blue than that, but let me stop with that one for a second. On vehicle. There's the Knight Rider car. Let's see. Extras. 1, 2, or 1, 3, 4, 6, and 7 are all dash. Choose the T-tops. I think once, yeah, there it is with the Knight thing, or with the Knight license plate. I believe with if we do with the with the vehicle shop add-on, it will add a license plate to it. But yeah, it's just there. I've just finally got that one going in. So, you know, I don't need to do that. DeLorean. Oh, that's right. I don't have it. Start DeLorean. Spawn. DeLorean. Oh, yeah, that's right. DMC-12. There's the DeLorean. The base model. So, it looks good. But, let's just say I want to do this. Gee, I want the BTTF1 DeLorean. It's there. Well, that's nice and dandy. A nice DeLorean. A nice time traveling DeLorean. But what if I don't want that version of it? Say I want the Back to the Future 2 DeLorean. It's there. Which is all nice and dandy. Now, of course, no, it will not fly. That doesn't mean people can't have a meetup with that. But let's say that's not your version. Let's say you want the old timey one, the Back to the Future 3 DeLorean. That's all in the DeLorean pack that I put the other day. But let's say that's not your cup of tea. Okay, that is loaded. Just a second. Because I don't remember all of the spawn names. There we are. Let me move that over here. Spawn vehicle by name. Is it Indy? I don't see it in the list. Indy F1. A Formula One racer. Let me turn on miles per hour down the lower corner. Uh-oh. There we go. If people want to run in these, they'll go up to about 100, I think 130, maybe 150. But they'll get going quickly. I turned them down to where they won't go too crazy. The police cars can keep up. So there it is. It tops out about 130. Each of them do that. I think Red Bull is one of them. There we go. Yep, Red Bull. I know somebody who probably would be happy with that. And they do turn pretty easily. And of course, even with the dirt track, they will go around the dirt track. Does have that. But now, probably one thing you want to see. Vehicle spawner. I think I fixed it. One thing you want to see, and maybe you'll see it at some point. Do have the state patrol started, don't I? Let's see. Start. Oh, maybe I didn't have it in there. There we go. I don't remember if I fixed this from. Yeah. I don't think I have this one quite fixed for the speed yet. Okay. Let's see, spawn. Okay. Give me a second. Let me get it up to speed. I think the FPIUs I had them up to speed. Of course, you go too fast at speed, and so it started to lose it. 1 second. There we go. Let me close all these and let me open that folder for the handling metas. File, open. Shit. State Patrol. Data. Handling meta. Oh, they're not in there. What did I work on? What did I work on the other day? Oh, wait, that's right. I was on a different computer. I was on my other computer. Just a sec. Yep. There they are. There all that stuff is. I still haven't got them all linked, so let me go here, data. There we go. Yes, I want to reload. There it is. This has all of them, I think, in here. Oh yeah, because I had it load police and baller 2. I didn't have it. I forgot I didn't have it load one for the Caprice because I forgot about the Caprice. Vehicle.met. I'll need that one. There we go. Yeah. I'll have to have one for. I'll probably leave that one for there. All right. State Patrol. Stop. State Patrol. Start. State Patrol. There we go. Vehicle spawner. There we go. I think this one will have more of a better top speed now. Out of my way! Out of my way! Out of my way, fellers! See? 130. And then I get hit. So. I worked on the FPIUs as well. Getting them faster. Because they were topping out at about 80 some miles per hour. I might change that to be a 4 gear so it gets up to speed a little quicker. Let me head back the other way. Heading back the other way. Because when it gets to. Yeah, I need to find a way of getting it through the gears a little faster. Because once it gets up in the top gear, that's whenever it goes. I may change it to 5 instead of 6 gears. Yeah, that's not handling right. Okay. Let's see. Caprice. Oh, the Caprice is using the police line. That's what it was. So, State Patrol. There we go. I might try to set up like a police 3 or a police 2 handling line for it. But honestly, it gets up and goes. Unless you have me as a driver who's not paying attention. I'll just. It won't do anything. So. There we go. It is a little wonky because I want to do something to lower it down a little bit. It is seeming to be a little top heavy. Let me continue to go. I might see if I can find a different handling line. That. You sent me something about the SSPD, but I'll have to relook and see what it was. But there we go. This one gets up to 130. Yeah. I've got to bump that down. I'm going to create one for this one. Let's see. Shut up. So handling meta. I'm going to get this. Copy. Go here. go here, change this one to be, let me see where the other things are. Should be on the first line. There we go. Police 3. And we'll change that to -2. Save that, and we go to vehicles.meta and have it load police 2. Stop, state, patrol, start, patrol. There we go. It still's a little wonky. So I need to change that a little bit more. You know what? Just to be safe, I'm going to go ahead and that, stop server, restart server, just to be sure that everything's saved. Go back into handling meta, change it down to 0.5, which should lower it to make it a little better. There was something up here about this. Is there a math offset? Doesn't really say which one it is there. So, stop, state, patrol, start, state, patrol. Let me reload GTA and see. So, local host. Back over here. And let me take a look at what you sent for SSPD. I'm opening it on a different monitor. Maybe. Fuck you. The only thing that was in there were the cars. Nothing on the metas. Where's that? Vehicle. Oh. You know what? Forget it. Miscellaneous settings. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Let me get back out on the highway. Okay, if you really crank it, it wants to go, so I can keep lowering that. Now I can spend. least now I can spin the car out. Oops. I'm fleeing the scene of the crime. You know what? Just for really test it. Turn that up a little bit. See what it does at excess speed. Yep, it's not flipping nearly as bad now, even at higher speeds. So that's a good change for that. That tells me that the handling meta for the Caprice is good. I'm going to take it up by the gas station down here on the 2. Yep, it ain't flipping now. Unless you do something stupid. But it's not just going to flip out for no apparent reason. There we go. It was one Discord server. Oh no. Alright. Now let me look at Baller. Oh, that reminds me. Let me search, find Caprice, find next. The Caprice slick top will now have that same handling line. So let me go up to the Baller. Oh, I'm in the wrong file. Baller 2. I'm gonna put it on 4. Turn it down to 0.8 on that. And 215 on that. Let me stop, state, patrol, start, state. There we go. Oops, I forgot. I still had that set on there. Now let's see what it normally goes to with. Okay, yeah, it gets up to speed pretty quickly. I'll give that a little bit more oomph. Let me change up to 250. Let me reload the FPIU. That should have it up to a more manageable speed. Yep, 132. Realistically, 130. on them now because they're all using the baller. And there we go. The These seem to be working a lot better. Of course, if we have a car that's going much over 130, fuck you, red car. Fuck you, red car. Um, as well, one thing I can do, I believe, with the and one thing I can do with the SSPD pack is we can rename the files and name them in the vehicle.data file or the vehicle.meta file and call them what we want, like SSPD charger, SSPD whatever. Let me look at those for a second. Where was I? I don't know, it's over here. Thought I closed that. I must have closed it. Uh, there we go. Nothing in the data folder, so let's look at the SHRF and see what that does. See which card that is. Oh, it's almost 11 o'clock. Alright. That is the CVPI. For 2 is and this is the FPIU, or the whichever version of the Ford that is. Okay. I kind of like those light bars on it. You know what? Take out the carcoals. Meta. I don't know what the carcoals need. Yeah, there we go. That should have it where at least I can. Let's see, data, vehicles, model name, sheriff, police, game name. What was it? think this will work. I think that'll work. Now, back over here. Yes, I need to quit because I'll be exiting out of here. Now I'm going to restart that. Start SSPD. Started SSPD. Do. If I can at least get that started, maybe we can work with stuff. Of course, watch you put me in a place where I can't spawn. I'm gonna be inside a house. I'm gonna be on top of a crane. And by the way, when you loaded ESX into the server, into the main server for testing, the first time I logged in, I was on top of the crane. That was not fun. I forgot I didn't have. Well, at least it didn't put me in a bad spot. Let's see. Vehicle spawner, spawn by name, SPD, CVPI. No. Sure. Okay, there we go. It's got me in there. Let me. You know what? Let me go over here. Teleport over here and see. Of course, it's whatever that this car wants to set for it. Okay, doesn't seem to be too bad there. Alright, let me. There's the Ford. Yeah, I've got a. This is going at default speeds. Oh, that's right. I don't have anything for this. You know what? CVPI. D. CVPI. Copy this section here. There we go. Okay, so rename those. Now I should be able to. Boom, baby. SSPD CVPI, baby. Let's see. Yep. And I'll copy the handling line over. All right. Okay. Handling ID we'll put as baller2. File new. Save that as SSPD and handling.meta. And we'll open resources.meta. That. Okay, I already had that. Okay. Blah. Now let's see if that's up to speed. Yep, there we go. SSPD is can now keep up with people. Oh, poor puppy. Oops. Something's wrong there. It's not activating lights and sirens. Open data car variations because I don't have a variation. Resources. Let me get rid of these. State Patrol. Data. Let me save that as SSPD. Data. Car variations. 2.meta. Now let me reopen that. Car variations 2. Model name, we'll call it SSPD. And we'll take out the Caprice. I need that line in there. Make sure it's on the right line. Yes. It says FPIU. So I will go down here and delete the rest of it. Variation data, variation data. So now we stop SSPD. So I've stopped it. Go back over here to data. Delete that and rename this the car variations. Now I have something wrong in the car variations meta. F. Yes. No. Yes. There we go. Stop SSPD. Start SSPD. Thumbs. I do have something wrong here. Oh, I don't have the. There we go. There we go. SSPD FPIU. There we go. The car codes are set wrong. Check the speed first. Okay, it's going good. SSPD CVPI. Yep. I'm going to change those to 1. Try that. There we are. Oh, I have the color wrong. That should be black there. Okay. 0, 0, 0. Change all those to 0. Should change the colors. There we go. Trying to set God mode as I'm going. Yeah, your wheels. Fuck your wheels. I don't know what else needs to be changed on them, if anything, but there's the SSPD pack. Got I want to say it got a little. Looked like it put a little more on the back. Now, of course, I just got it with a default lighting. All right, that's good. See if there's a livery for this. Only that one. So yeah, there we go. SS SSPD seems to be fine. I don't really know what needs to be, and that of course probably you'll want the light patterns changed, but yeah, that's just gonna take playing around with them. I may have to. If we find one of the default ones that work, gotta take them out. Gotta take them out. Gotta take them out. Gotta take them out. Took them out. Yay. Yeah. Of course, if we had a charger, I'd have the charger probably going a little faster, just because chargers seem to be a little bit of a faster car, not like too much. But yeah, there we go. This seems pretty planted. Let me look at something here. Handling.net. There was something I saw about making front drive bias, F drive bias front. Find next. Find next. Not that one. Okay. It is set for 4-wheel drive on that. That's what I wanted to see. Okay. Let me take that out because I don't have that car there. And boom. Now the stuff is pretty much set. Of course, right now it's just doing basic light patterns, but that's pretty much got that, Brandon. All right. That's going to do it for today. It's 11 o'clock. I'm about ready to go to bed. I need to sleep. And that. All right, guys. That's going to do it. Let me switch back over to the webcam. That's going to do it for this stream. I'm glad Brandon was able to come over for part of it and see what was going on. I wish I could have figured out what was going with the Ecto, or find out. I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research about, or reach out to some people I know about creating custom light IDs and that, and see maybe if I can create my own to make it do exactly what I want it to do. Or, I mean, I wish I could. I wish I was good enough to be able to create my own YFTs and that to uh, go in and that where I could put my own lot bars, because then I would put in like the lot bars uh, like that. I would put in those type of lot bars instead of the old style uh, rotating ones like are on the actual Ecto one. But yeah, part of that failed, but at least I got this, and I forgot I'd work on two different computers. I need to have both servers run off the same thing. Of course, I need to find a way of mapping my other drive, my other computer here as a network drive. Oh well. Anyway, guys, peace out. Have a good night.